Hi, do you also document your production issues and equipment failures in your CMMS and OEE system in order to learn from them later? But then you'll notice that learning from all this documentation is actually pretty hard. MaintMaster MI is here to change that. MaintMaster MI analyzes your documentation, including your unstructured notes, and generates detailed downtime insights from it. Let me show you what I mean by that. What you're looking at here are classic Pareto charts. Typically, the Pareto groups are like material missing, setup, mechanical issues, a relatively broad group. These charts here show very concrete issues and not just groups. It does that by going through all your documentation and your notes, especially your text notes, and looks for what's inside them. You notice that even though an issue might have been phrased differently depending on who wrote it, the software understands that it's actually the same issue, or at least a very similar one. You can click on any of them to get more detailed information. The software, therefore, does not only show you what were your most frequent issues, what were the biggest issues, but also highlight patterns that help you to drill down and eliminate the issue. So in this example here, label line without tension, it notices that this problem occurs often after a line change to wholesale packaging. It also notices that this problem only happens when the 5-liter bag is running. Knowing your issues and how it was resolved now feed directly into preventive maintenance planning. You can click to recommendations, select an asset, and you get direct recommendations what you can do preventively in order to reduce unplanned downtime. You can click on any of them, and this example shows you if you schedule magazine cleaning and lubrication or you at least inspection, you can reduce these symptoms and these problems. If you do so, you also see an estimation of the kind of impact you have on your production. As the software learned the problems and the solutions to it, it now becomes very easy to make this knowledge available and search for that in case you have a trouble situation. Again, you select an asset of interest, you type in the symptom, and you see known problems from the past that your team have documented previously. You can click on any of them, and you see what they did last time to resolve them. Your documentation, especially your note, is an underused resource. MaintMaster MI enables you to access all the knowledge that is in your note and joins that together with your structured data and telemetry to generate detailed downtime insights so you can improve your operation and reduce downtime. Thank you.